कितने बनाने का? Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. So guys, see, I am in the nature. I love being in nature because I have been here for a long time and I like this type of life. It's a like lovely, genuine life. So guys, I am in the lap of nature. So can you see lots of greenery, guys? Actually, these are wheat field. So I would like to show you so many things like this side. On my right hand you can see the mustard field. I would like to show you. Can you please show? uh, so guys, this is mustard field. I would like to show you. So guys, it's a amazing like view, and here I would like to show you a small house. So guys, great. So I have come to this place. Okay, so I think this house is totally abandoned. Earlier, maybe 1 year ago, people used to live here, but now this house is empty. Nobody lives here anymore. And yeah, great. You can see the own, like it's like traditional own. Most of the people know about wheat, but guys, I don't have anything to show except this environment and lovely view. So guys, great. So great. I would like to request my camera person to, okay, I'm going to take you to uh, in the mustard field because it's a lovely. So yes guys, I'm going inside the mustard field. So I have to go through this barbed wire. Oh my god. Yes. My camera person is also coming, but he got stuck, but he can handle himself. Yeah, he is smiling. Great. Actually, my camera person is great person, and his name is Subham. He always he always like listens to me. Actually, I give him toffee and biscuit to hold camera. He is showing you mustard flower. I'm also going to plug. See guys, I'm holding and I'm going to plug, and but I have to make sure, I have to check whether the landlord is here or not of this field. So guys, I think there is no one. We can plug this flower. So guys, see, this is mustard and yellow flowers. You must have seen these days in every village you can find this type of flower, mustard flower. So guys, it's amazing. One person is coming, but he's not the owner of this field. I would like to show you lots of so grass, guys. This is grass. Yeah. So guys, this is grass. This is grass. Amazing. Here lots of here. Oh, Subham. Here there is lots of grass. Tomorrow we will come and with sickle and like said, we will cut this grass. Okay, Subham. So we will come here tomorrow. Okay, great. So guys, I'm not like okay guys. So this is mustard field, guys. I know you know, but yes, however, I'm showing you because it's a lovely. Wow, I'm walking through the mustard field. So guys, now we are going because I have asked one of my neighbor to take care of my buffaloes. Actually, my buffaloes are there in the premises. Uh, Actually, we don't graze buffalo. We come here to just have fun, to make video. Yeah, but yeah, it's a reality that I come to graze buffalo every day. So this is all great. I would like to show you the sky. And can you see the moon? I think you can't see. But yeah, weather is totally sunny. I love sunny weather. I hate winter season. So guys, now I'm going to get so much energy from this summer season. Most of the people, they don't like summer season. I don't know why, but I love being in summer season. No matter how much I'm sweltering, but yes, I love, because whenever winter occurs, so that time I feel like it's like, oh, I'm a patient. I don't have energy in winter season. So that is why I hate winter season. But yes, amazing. So guys, today my camera person named Subham, of course today I have to spend some time for him, and actually I will give him some money today. So now, are you happy, Subham? Because I will give you 10 rupees because you have made my 3 videos. So it's amazing, and I think you always tell me that why don't you buy stand, why don't you buy stand. So how can I make video with this stand? Because you can walk but my stand can't walk. So my one more like neighbor who is taking care of our buffaloes, he is also abusing us, that he's saying come fast, otherwise I will not take care of your buffaloes. So this is the problem in village area, guys. So we have to take care of all the thing. Of course, uh, yeah, we have this channel, so we work, otherwise there is no problem. Earlier we used to have lots of earlier we had lots of fun while grazing buffaloes. Earlier I didn't have any channel, I didn't have any work to do, but yes, we had fun. So that is why we couldn't do anything, so many things. We had dream but we couldn't complete our dream. But yes, I must say that I was the person who had this dream to learn English, but I didn't listen to my friend. I didn't spend lots of time with my friend, but I remained alone, and I being alone, I learned this English knowledge and English language, and today that is the reason I can speak, and I'm getting so many things. And today I'm totally happy with this language. Whenever I speak this language, it's like okay, it's like okay, there's no problem with this language. So great. I would like to show so many buffaloes, guys, but these buffaloes are not mine. But yes, these buffaloes of course belong to my village. So this is my one of the neighbor who was calling us. I would like to show him. He has come with grass, and he is showing you, and there is a flower too. So can you see? So what is your name?
Ansh Kashyap.
Ansh Kashyap, guys. His name is Ansh Kashyap. In which class do you study?
7th.
7th class, guys. He is amazing guy. He always like listens to us, and he is like, he is the person. He is also from my village. He is grazing buffaloes. So guys, look at, yeah, so lovely. Only I can understand this language. They can't understand. So it's no problem. I don't feel shy because I have been speaking for a long time. So guys, thank you so much. I will meet you in my next video. Bye.